Hey, what's up? All right, so it's day 3 of me trying out the vegan diet. Today, this morning, I did a smoothie. It was roughly around 800 calories. I had a banana, half a mango, mixed berries, a scoop and a half of protein, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 3 dates. I think that's everything. I think some chia seeds. So that topped out at, oh, and almond milk. That topped out at around 800 calories. I had, let's see, almonds and an orange mid-morning. For lunch, I made homemade guac and I put that on like a multi-grain bread. And that was my lunch. And it was actually really good. I put a little too much onion, but after lunch, I had a banana and then I worked out and then I did my typical protein and dextrose after my workout. So that's kind of been the rundown of today so far. I feel good. It's just the challenging part is not so much that I miss anything yet. I'm so used to, the eating different things. So that part's not really weird to me yet anyway, like missing any kind of animal products. But it's just different because you've got to think about, okay, how am I getting my calories in? How am I getting my overall calories in so that I don't drop mass or anything like that. So it's different. It's pushing me, which again is one of the reasons why I wanted to try this. But day 3 so far is going good. And yeah, if you have any questions that you want me to address maybe in some future videos that I'm going to be doing this month while I do this 31-day vegan thing, feel free to drop them in the comments. I would love to answer them in future videos. So thank you so much for watching and keep track of the journey.